Your next car could be the 2015 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle still has fewer than 110,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek and powerful Odyssey. Its connectivity and ingenious cabin features make navigating your life's many demands easier and more convenient, while its advanced safety tech protects your most precious cargo. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, third row seat, heated driver's seat, wood grain interior trim, fog lamps, satellite radio, heated mirrors, iPod, MP3 input, keyless start, backup camera. Powerful, agile cargo hauler meets safe, comfortable family oasis. Drive the Honda Odyssey.